Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the NooB Trading Group. I'm NooB Trader, and today's date is August 8th, 2017. I apologize I didn't get the chance to upload yesterday's video, so it might be uploaded today because after the trade, I was busy and caught up. I had the kids' play date and celebrate a birthday party as well. And let's talk about today's trade. I actually woke up late today, and I'll show you the trade that I got in, even though I was completely exhausted and drained. During the European session, there was a huge rally, and one thing I messaged out was be careful because there was an OPEC meeting as well. Um, and I was long, but I think my broker closed me out before the long even occurred, maybe because it's prior to the news. I was actually long at the 49.24 area before it was even moving up. So right here, I was long 49.24. I actually fell asleep. I don't know if it was my broker that closed me out or maybe my kids went to go play with my phone because I left my screen on and they pressed the button and sold me out at 32. I was really frustrated. I'm like, oh my gosh, are you guys serious? So eventually I got back in right here at the 55 area right here. I'm like, oh, did I just tag a high? I was looking for it to make it to the 80s, and unfortunately I got penny, did not go to the 80. Ultimately, I did remember I got in short around the 50, my break even around 59 is where I shorted, which was like right in this area, and I got the collapse, and I just took a quick 45, and that was my UK session trade that I make. So on to today's trade setup. I didn't really have any clear direction. I was unsure where it's going to go, so I was going to wait till any long rips in any direction and wait to get back in on a pullback with a separate setup. So here's the 6 a.m. right here, and it shorted significantly. It was a little bit farther than I expected, and I didn't feel like it was going to really go through the 49 handle unless I get something lower than an 80, which it didn't really give me either. So no shorts here, just waited patiently. And then I was like, hey, is that the news? No news. This bar right here is a hammer, ripped down towards the 85, found a lot of buying pressure and pushed back up. I saw a reversal pattern setting up right there. No trade yet, and this bar occurred. I did not have a clear defined entry to get in, even though I kind of want to get in here at the 26. So I just waited for a better setup to get back in with a proper risk reward. Wait till it makes a low so I can find somewhere to put my stop. And this bar right here was where my stop was going to be at 13 if it continued to go up. And I found a trigger to get in right here at 49.28. Let me do some quick calculations so I can tell you exactly my risk reward. So 49.28, stop was going to be 49.13. My target was up here in the 54 area. 49.54. So with that said, my risk was gonna be 20 to 13, probably about 150 in order to make excuse me. Take a look. 28 and then 54, so about $240. So risking 150 to make 240, almost a 1-to-1 risk reward. And within about without 5, 10, 15, within 20 minutes of entering, I was able to captivate that $240. Since I traded two lot, I actually was risking $300 in order to make $480. And then I'll show you one extra additional setup with the same strategy that would have occurred if you actually been a little bit patient and wait till the 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 30 minutes before the close trade. Around that time was where I woke up as well. I went to take a nap and wake up. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's close to 11. Let me just test something out, and it worked out in my favor for the past couple of days. So, okay, I was looking to short this area right here at the 15. I got in at the 13 and kind of got screwed. And then I saw something materialize, and I said, hey, if it breaks above these two moving average, I'm going long. Got in long right here at this 22. Target was in the 38, which it tagged, and let me clear these lines so you're able to see. Excuse me. So there was entry there. Target was a 38. I thought it was going to penny me and not give me the 38, to be honest, because I went up there a couple times, started ripping back back down and did not let me get out. Sorry, I got the hiccups just now. So I would have tried to take the 22s, risk 12, and it would have been a 10 tick risk in order to make $160. Sorry about that. Oh, that. So right after it print me at the 38, it just ripped down. So gotta be careful, stay cautious. So overall here for today's date, just the market just recently closed down here at the 09. Might try to go down a little bit lower. P&L for the day is $500. And today's date is August 8th, 11:41 a.m. Pacific Standard Time right now. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be news day. So make sure you guys stay flat for the EIA and don't know if it's going to swing up or swing down. And I'll see you guys around 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? Later, guys. Have a good evening. Bye.